Okay, so here is of everything I might want to bring. I know this set looks really good underneath this, so yes, I have to pack for play parties and comfort. And then I have my socks and underwear. Be prepared to do laundry like once a week or, 7 to 10 days. And yes, there's like costumes. And then I have shirts. These are the shirts. These are the pants. That's the other thing, is remembering I need to pack for cold weather as well as warm weather for the yacht. And then over here is like maybes. These are like more costumes and playthings. So now head over to my sister's house to do my laundry and do some shopping to get a few toiletries that I still need. Okay, my goal is to get as much as possible to fit in here. This is a big carry-on backpack that I got in 2023. The last time I backpacked a few times for like 3 weeks. I am going to be bringing a carry-on piece of luggage because I have some things to bring to Monique and Peter in Europe, but I want to leave that as empty as possible because in the past I always ended up having to pick up a piece of luggage for things I bought along my trip. So let's see if we can get it all fitting into that backpack. All right, I leave in about 28 hours and I am finally ready to start with the packing, pre-packing. And what that's gonna look like, I'll show you. I'll put out the backpack and the suitcase I'm gonna use, but there's a lot to consider because everything I take, I need to be able to carry. That is the trick with these long trips, that I have to make sure that I am able to carry these things myself, because sometimes there will be help, but a lot of times there's not. And I also have to keep it as minimal as possible because I will be moving many times within the month that I'll be gone. I'll probably stay, I haven't even added it up yet, but probably like 6 places, maybe more. So it needs to be carryable by me, simple, but then it's like, okay, I have to have enough stuff for all the different activities. So, okay, I'm gonna lay out the stuff and show you how I start. I can't believe I look so windblown. Yeah, it's been a day with lots of breaks to deal with the heat, but I wanted to show you, I finally feel like I have a handle on what I'm about to pack. I look so frazzled, but here it goes. Okay, here's toiletries. So I have pills to help me sleep, nicotine, hair stuff. This is the one styling tool I like, just in case I decide to use that. Eye mask earplugs, necessary for co-sleeping. I could pick up more of these probably on the road. Here's all my all my liquids. I put them in the travel size because they don't leak. Some for if I get my period, melatonin, other stuff. I try to bring everything. Oh, and then this, an adapter, I got that in 2023. And here's my massage gun. I'm excited. So there's all that stuff. And then over here I put, okay, this is all the stuff I do want to take, the stuff I need to take, and this is the stuff still that I want to take. And so I'm just gonna start putting it into the packing cubes, which my ex-girlfriend Fran taught me about, and see how much I can fit into the bags that I want to take. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to take a bigger bag. Okay, I got it into the packing cubes. This is what stops it from becoming like stuffed soup. All the toiletries and also my sex toys are in here. So let's see if I can fit it in this bag and this backpack. Okay, much better. I'm all ready to go to a get together tonight. And the theme is purple, so I got some purple makeup. I put the eye makeup on my lips, so I feel a lot better. And I am gonna go with the larger luggage. So what I got, because it was just, I could have decreased what I was bringing, but it would have been hard, and there were still some things that I wanted to bring, so I decided to go bigger, and I'm just gonna have to be a strong girl and carry my stuff. And I still need to pack my carry-on personal item, so I will be putting my computer and like some things in there. So yeah, I feel like I'm almost ready to go. Just got to do the last little odds and ends. And let me know if you want more details about how I pack. Maybe I'll do an unpacking video when I get home. All right, make it a sexy day. Okay, so I just got home from the birthday thing I went to. And, you know, I left early because I've been up and it's been a long day. And see, this is why I like to pre-pack and then practice pack, because now I'm thinking like, do I want to either get a bigger suitcase, or do I want to reevaluate and go small and just really think about what is really important? And I am leaning toward taking less stuff and just being like, okay, what is absolutely important? What can I buy along my travels? And that's, you know, that's backpacking. So I'm glad I tried to stuff it all in. And I'm going to have to re-go through all of it tomorrow. So I think it's kind of funny, kind of silly. Okay.